Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Myself Pallavi from Find Inspiration. In today's video, we will see how to make these cute organizers using plastic containers. So let's get into the video. For the first DIY, here I have taken this ice cream container. I think most of us will have such type of container whenever we buy some ice creams or chocolates. Before starting any work, we will give a coat of gesso for this container. I am applying homemade gesso. If you like to know how to make this homemade gesso, I will share the link in the description box. After applying gesso, leave it to dry, and now it is ready. And here I am using this decoupage napkin which I have purchased from Itsy Bitsy, and I am going to cut this napkin according to the measurement. To apply this decoupage napkin, here I am using Mod Podge glue. If you don't have this Mod Podge glue, you can use the normal white glue. You have to mix little bit of water, make it runny, then you can use it for your napkins. Before applying the napkin, you have to remove the two sheets attached with it. Then using a dry brush, you have to stick the napkin into your surface. To remove the wrinkles, place a plastic cover on it and rub it gently so that you can remove all the creases which is formed. We will stick the decoupage napkin on the other side also with the same technique. Instead of decoupage napkin, you can also use some printed paper, or you can also use some images from magazines. So once the napkin is dry, here I am going to give a coat of Mod Podge glue on these napkins. And here I am going to use these chalk paints. These are again from Itsy Bitsy. You will get many shades in these chalk paints. Here I am going to use these two colors as this matches with my decoupage napkin. So these products are available in their website. I will share the link in the description box. You can check there. You can also use my coupon code Pallavi5 to get 5% discount. If you have a store in your city, you can go to their store and you can get so many things. Okay, also I have done with my decoupage and painting on the lid. Now here I am going to take this Fevicryl molded. So I am going to mix the hardener and the resin together using some talcum powder. So the dough is ready and I am going to flatten it. I have done a sketch of sewing machine on this lid and I am going to stick this clay above the sketch. To stick the clay, I am applying some white glue and then I am cutting the clay according to the shape. I would like to thank all the viewers and the subscribers of my channel for their love and support, which motivates me to come with much more DIY home decor videos. So here almost we are done with our work. With the leftover clay, I am going to make some small buttons and some needles. To make a hole in the buttons, here I am using this toothpick and here I will stick it to the container. So once it is dried, here I am going to paint it. To color the sewing machine, here I am using acrylic color. To give a distressed look to my organizer, here I am using this black acrylic color. I have taken very little amount of color in a sponge and I am just rubbing it all over the container. Here I am going to write a quote on this organizer. So finally, to secure our work, we have to give a coat of varnish. The varnish which I am using is purchased from a local hardware shop. So whenever you apply it, you will get a slight yellowish tint on your project. So this is the final reveal. So here I am going to use this organizer to keep all my threads which I use for my sewing. If you like the idea and if you want to give a try, you can share it with me on my Instagram account. You can also follow me there and the link will be provided in the description box. Now let's make a second organizer. So for this, here I am going to use this chocolate box. So as usual, first we will give a coat of gesso on this box. So once it is dried, here I am going to take this decoupage napkin with another print. Here I am applying a little amount of water using a brush to tear my decoupage napkin so that the edges will be uneven. So when we stick them, we will not see a cut line. Always remember to remove 2 layers before sticking the napkin. Following the same procedure as I have told previously, you have to stick the decoupage napkin using Mod Podge glue. Usually what I do is once I stick this decoupage napkin, I just allow it to dry, and after that I apply a coat of glue on this. By following this procedure, you can avoid the napkin getting teared. Usually it happens whenever you use some white glue mixed with water. And here I am going to color the box using chalk paint. To give a texture effect, here I am using this stencil. This stencil I have purchased from Amazon and I will try to share the link in the description box. And using a spatula, here I am applying this texture paste, and I have made this texture paste using POP, glue and water. And now here I am going to highlight the decoupage napkin using acrylic color. Using a 3D outliner, I am going to make some small dots on this rose. Once it is dried completely, this is the time to seal our work using varnish. There are some other brand of varnish which is available in market, by using which you will not get that yellowish tint on your project. And I am yet to buy this, and whenever I buy, I will share with you. So this is how you can use your organizer as a tissue box. Or you can also use it to organize the small things of your kids like crayons, the color box, everything in one place. And you can place them organized on their study table. Okay friends, I hope you might have got some idea how you can use these plastic containers into our organizers. Isn't it a nice way to reuse this plastic container? Let me know in the comment section. If you feel this video is helpful by any reason, and if you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. See you soon with one more interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, take care and bye bye.